Most welcome, my dear students. My name is DN Sukla, and today in this video I will make you understand about sentence. The topic sentence is very important. First, I am going to tell you the definition of sentence. Try to understand it. A group of words arranged in a manner which makes a complete sense is called sentence. Mean to say, when we arrange some words in manner and that makes its clear sense. When we read it, when we listen it, then we understand its clear, perfect meaning. Then such type of arrangement of words are called sentence. For example, I study in LPM public school. Here some words are arranged in manner and they makes their clear sense. That's why this line is called sentence. He goes to market. We play cricket. So these type of sentences we used in our daily routine. We talk to each other, we express our ideas. So whatever we use to speak, if that has a perfect manner, order, so that is called sentence. That should have a clear meaning. Now we will talk about the kinds of sentences. How many types of sentence we use to speak. So there are 5 types of sentences that is used. First, assertive sentence. Second, imperative sentence. Third, interrogative sentence. Fourth, exclamatory sentence, and one more, optative sentence that is used. So first of all, I am going to tell you about assertive sentence. Another name of assertive sentence is declarative sentence, or you can call it a statement. So it is definition here. A sentence which makes a statement or assert something, that is called declarative or assertive sentence. For example, the earth is round, and a declarative sentence or assertive sentence may be affirmative and negative. Second point, I am going to tell you about imperative sentence. A sentence which expresses a command, request, entreaty, or wish is called an imperative sentence. If you order anybody for anything, or you request, or you advise, or any type wish you have, so such type of sentences that is used to express these expressions for request, command, or advice. So whatever sentence we use, that is imperative sentence. For example, please give me your WhatsApp contact number. So this is a request. May God help India to defeat COVID-19. This is a wish. So such type of sentences are according to imperative sentence. Third point, interrogative sentence. A sentence which asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. The sentence which we use to ask questions or to inquire anything. So such type of sentences are called interrogative sentence. For example, where is the market? Who are you? What is your name? What are you doing? Any type of sentence which we use to ask question or inquire something, that is interrogative sentence. Fourth point, exclamatory sentence. A sentence which expresses a strong feeling is called exclamatory sentence. The sentence in which we express our sudden or strong feelings of love, joy, hate, sorrow, such type of emotions which we have in ourselves, and when we express that suddenly with the help of sentences, so that sentence are called, such type of sentences are called exclamatory sentence. For example, hurrah, we have won the match. So here in this sentence, the expression of joy is expressed here. So such type of sentences are called exclamatory sentence. Our fifth point is optative sentence, the sentence which express a prayer, wish, curse, etc. Such type of sentences are called optative sentence. For example, wish you a very successful married life. So in the sentence which we use to express prayer, boon or curse, such type of sentences are optative sentence. Okay, our next point is the part of the sentences. So we can say the sentence is divided into two parts, subjective part and predicative part. So let's understand what is subject and predicate. First of all, I am going to tell you the definition of subject. The word denoting the person or thing about which something is said is called the subject of the sentence. Mean to say, the main word of the sentence, about that all the other words are being used, they are denoting, that is called subject. And now let's understand about predicate. The word or words which say something about the person or thing denoted by the subject are called the predicate of the sentence. For example, Ram went out for walk. Here Ram word is subject and predicate went out for walk. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you understand properly.